Alright guys, so this is the side of my shop. It's kind of blank and I figured I needed to put up a sign, you know, so people know it was mine. First I tried, you know, just throwing a sticker on there, but, you know, can't really tell what that is, especially from a distance. What I do like is the tree saw that's in my logo. So what I did is I found one and I made a sign out of it. And this is what that sign looks like. Let's see how I did it. Alright guys, so the project for TMA this month is to build a sign. So my father-in-law collects a bunch of stuff and random stuff that he finds and just kind of displays it up in his yard. And he had this tree saw that's really similar to the one that's in my logo. So I'm going to try to use that to make a sign. So this is it. It's pretty rusted. It's missing a handle. So I'm not going to be able to match this handle. So what I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to take two dowels and slice it into here to kind of replicate it. The first thing I need to do is try to get some of this rust off though. And then I'm just going to soak it in vinegar for a while, and hopefully most of that should scrub off. So of course the night that I put this out there to sit in the vinegar, it started raining. So I washed off all the vinegar and basically didn't do anything to this. Anyway, so what I did instead is I bought this drill disc that's supposed to be a quick strip disc, and I'm going to see how that works. Okay, because this is going to be purely decorative, I'm only going to go this far. I'm not going to like get every little piece off. What I'm going to do is just do a base coat of metallic silver, and then we'll go on to the other color for the overcoat. Now I'm not trying to make this perfect, but I'm just going to use the sander here to kind of round this over a little bit instead of putting it on the lathe. I think it'll just be easier. And because it rained, these two are just kind of different colors. I'm not going to do anything about that except just throw some dark walnut wood stain on them and hope for the best. All right, now that I got these cut out on the vinyl cutter, I'm going to put them on here. This seems pretty dry, and then I'm going to go over it with a different color.